In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up GDPR compliance in Outgrow, making sure your forms and interactions with users respect privacy laws and help you stay on the right side of data protection. Whether you're new to Outgrow or just need a quick refresher, you'll find all the steps you need to ensure compliance with the GDPR, the key regulation for any business operating in the EU. Now, if you're new to Outgrow, it's a powerful, interactive content creation platform. It helps businesses build quizzes, calculators, surveys, and more, allowing for a personalized experience that boosts engagement and conversions. But with that comes responsibility, especially when handling personal data. And that's where GDPR compliance comes in. Don't worry, I'll break it all down so you can set it up easily and quickly. First, let's talk about data collection. GDPR is all about transparency and consent, so it's important that users know exactly what data you're collecting and how it will be used. Outgrow makes this part simple. When creating your interactive content, you can easily add a GDPR consent checkbox that gives users the option to approve or deny consent to your data collection practices. Next, you'll want to ensure that you're only collecting the data necessary for the purpose of your form or quiz. Outgrow allows you to customize which fields are required or optional. By keeping it minimal, you reduce the amount of personal information you collect, which is a key aspect of GDPR compliance. Now, for those of you who need to manage and store user data, Outgrow integrates with secure databases to keep everything safe. However, remember that GDPR requires businesses to store user data securely and only for as long as necessary. In your Outgrow account, you can easily delete or export user data if needed. This gives you full control over your data and ensures you're meeting GDPR's right to erasure and data retention requirements. Another great feature in Outgrow is its ability to enable users to access or download the data you've collected about them. This is key for GDPR's right of access. Users should be able to view their information and request a copy. You can set this up easily within your Outgrow platform and ensure that your processes are transparent. Finally, you'll want to include privacy policy links on all your forms. Outgrow allows you to add this directly within your content. This is a simple but essential part of GDPR compliance, ensuring users have easy access to your privacy policies and that they're informed about their rights. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that you can try Outgrow completely free using the first link below, and you'll even get some exclusive bonuses when you sign up. So, if you haven't checked it out yet, this is your chance to dive in and start using Outgrow with all these compliance tools in place. To summarize, setting up GDPR compliance in Outgrow is pretty straightforward, with the key areas being data collection transparency, minimizing data storage, user access to data, and providing a clear privacy policy. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to GDPR compliance with ease. Remember, if you want to get started today with a special extended free trial, check the link below. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer and start building compliant, engaging, interactive content with Outgrow.